This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix network required in FIFA Mobile on iPhone. So whenever you open your FIFA Mobile app, you see you must connect to the internet to play FIFA Mobile error. Follow these simple steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is check your internet working fine. Open a browser and open a random website. If the website working properly, then it's mean your internet doesn't have any issues. Open your control center and enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it back off. Then you can switch your internet between Wi-Fi and cellular and then check the issue. The second solution is offload the FIFA mobile app. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, tap on FIFA mobile, tap on offload app, and then reinstall it from here. And then check the issue. And another solution is update the FIFA mobile app. Open your app store and search for FIFA. And open the FIFA app here. And if you see any update available, then update the FIFA mobile app and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.